In this video, you will learn how bookkeeping is done and what kind of data a bookkeeper receives and works with. There are two main ways to do bookkeeping. One is software and other is Excel spreadsheets. We'll be practicing in Excel so that you can clearly understand which entry should be debited and which should be credited. The main goal of bookkeeping is to accurately record transactions, and for what it's important to understand the meaning of each transaction. For example, whether it's an asset, an expense, a liability, equity, or income. By looking at transaction, you should be able to figure out their purpose, what they are for, and how they impact the business. Once you understand the nature of transactions, bookkeeping become much easier. In accounting software, each type of transaction is posted in a different section. For example, expense are entered in one section, customer entries go to and other supplier entries are posted elsewhere. Even though these entries are recorded separately, the software brings everything together in the journal to prepare the ledger, trial balance, and financial statements. Every software has a different design, but the basic process is the same. That's why we are practicing in Excel so you can easily understand the logic and flow of each transaction. If you had like to do your bookkeeping using Excel, you will find more accounting related videos right here on my channel. By watching those, you can easily learn how to use Excel just like an accounting software. And if you want to work with different accounting softwares, that's totally fine too. The bookkeeping method stays the same. Let's begin. Make bookkeeping simple to learn. So clients will share you the data like this way. Nature, he will never show you the nature of expense. He will give you the transactions, what actually done with the pumps. So you can identify these transactions, what type of these transactions are meaning. So one by one, we will do these entries. First, I'm showing the insurance premium. Let pass the journal entry. Here date, I'm taking the current date for time saving. You can choose the date as per the entries. Mode payment, what's the type of expense? It's CPV. Reference number, it's a one. It's a cash payment, so this field not required to add the any transaction. Now here we will copy and the paste value, control D for as it is copy. It's a insurance premium expense, insurance expense debit. We paid against this expense cash and the amount is 2487. Now the second entry, phone bill, it's also an expense. We have paid phone bill. It's an internet, it's an phone bill like phone bill, internet fee, and the other things we merged within one expense, like internet expense. We paid that cash against this expense, 37.99, 37.99. And the third entry, it's a salary payment, salary payment. If we paid the salary, it's a salaries expense, salaries expense, debit, cash credit, 723. And the fourth entry is training expense. First we paste there. Now it's also an cash payment voucher. Training expense, it means that we have, it means training expense debit, cash credit. The amount is 3814, 3814, and the other entry is office supplies. It's also we have purchased on cash, office supplies, office supplies, debit, cash credit. We have 1550, 1550, and the other entry is bank loan received. It means we have received cash from bank as a loan. BPV, bank payment voucher debit, loan received from bank. You can add here bank name as well. So cash debit, bank is we have taken a loan, so we will add a liability account over here. So bank one is credit, the amount is 1831, 1831, and the other entry consulting income. It means we have generate a sale, consulting consulting income. So cash debit, sales credit. The amount is 4981, 4981, 4981. So consulting software subscription, it's also an expense, travel expense, loan payment, repayment. It means that we return the payment against the loan received. So if we pass that entry, loan repayment, bank payment voucher debit, bank payment voucher, loan repayment, bank one debit, cash credit. We have paid 1927, and the other entry is utility bill. It's also an expense. Internet bill, it's also an expense. Advertising expense, equipment purchase, it's an asset account. Equipment is an asset. So JV, sorry, it's a cash payment voucher. We purchased equipment on cash. Equipment purchased, equipment purchased, equipment debit, cash credit, 4463, 4463. It's not it's not a long-term asset, it's a current asset. It's not a fixed asset. It's not a fixed asset, it's a current asset. Expense, it's a cash expense, repair and maintenance, repair and maintenance, debit, cash credit, 1878, 1478, no sorry, 1478. Now initial capital investment, it's a equity account. Cash payment for time saving, capital, cash debit, capital credit. Capital, or you can add directors as per the business. It's an individual or proprietor. $37.67, $37.67. Now the second entry in the now the 17th entry is inventory sold, cash payment. It's an income account. Inventory sold, cash debit, sales credit, 29.98, 29.98, 29.98. And the rent payment, it's a rent expense. Inventory purchase, it's a current asset account. Inventory purchased, inventory debit, cash credit, 39.80, 39.80. Client payment received, it's a sales account that we sold on credit base, so the customer paid us a payment. Client payment received, cash debit, customer credit. You can add name as per the business requirement. 802 insurance premiums again, pay bill, salary, training, office supplies, bank loan, consulting, software subscription, travel expense. It's also an expense. Loan repayment, utility bill, internet bill, advertising expense, equipment purchase. It's an asset account. Vehicle and repair and maintenance vehicles. It's an vehicles expense. Initial capital investment, inventory sold, rent payment. It's an expense. Inventory purchase. It's an asset. Client payment received. It's an asset account. Cash is asset and customer is also an current asset. Both are the current assets. Cash and the customer. Insurance premium, phone bill, salary, training, office supplies, bank loan, consulting, software subscription, loan. Thanks for watching.